Welcome to the TS Learning software. My students and I are thrilled to have you join us in this educational journey.
Hello, I am Berdia. This section is about factoring polynomials given one of their roots, or TS method for factoring. What is the root? When we look at a graph, the point where it intersects the x-axis is called the root. It is clear that the value of y at the roots is 0. Therefore, any value of x that makes a polynomial equal to 0 is a root of that polynomial. For example, the number 2 is a root of the following polynomial because after substituting it for x, the value of the polynomial becomes 0. The method we are presenting now for the first time is a polynomial factoring method based on having one of its roots. TS's factoring method. In this method, we no longer perform division and directly obtain the quotient. Assume that the number, r, is a root of a polynomial. Therefore, one factor of its factorization must be in the following form. We just need to find the second factor. Example. If the number 2 is a root of the following polynomial, write its initial factorization form. Therefore 2 is the root. And we can write Now we will teach you how to easily find the unknown factor. A rule. Any term that wants to become part of an unknown factor is required to lose one unit from its power. The first term entering the unknown factor is the first term in the original polynomial. Don't forget the rule. Repeat the following rule to calculate the next terms until you reach a numerical value in the unknown factor. 1. Multiply the initial root of the polynomial by the last term obtained in the unknown factor. 2. Now, we add the obtained value to the same power in the original polynomial, if it exists. 3. The obtained value, even if 0, should be included in the unknown factor. Don't forget the rule. Multiply.
Add.
Transfer. We achieved our goal. Example. Knowing that 2 is a root of the given polynomial, find its factorization. Number 2 is the root, so we can write. Now we find each term of the unknown factor, one by one. 1. The first term. Don't forget the rule. 2. The next term. Multiply.
Add.
Transfer. Don't forget the rule. Multiply.
Add.
Transfer. Don't forget the rule. Multiply.
Add.
Transfer. Don't forget the rule. The process is now complete. Example. Factor the following polynomial. Solution. Clearly, -1 is a root. So we can write the first term, the next term. Multiply.
Add.
No like terms were found, so transfer. Don't forget the rule. Multiply.
Add.
No like terms were found, so transfer. Don't forget the rule. Multiply.
Add.
No like terms were found, so transfer. Don't forget the rule. Multiply.
Add.
No like terms were found, so transfer. Don't forget the rule. The process is now complete. Example. Simplify the following fraction. Note. Common roots of the numerator and denominator is 1. Solution. Based on the given root, we can write multiply.
Add.
Transfer. Multiply.
Add.
Transfer. Factoring of the numerator is complete. Multiply.
Add.
Transfer. Multiply.
Add.
Transfer. Factoring of the denominator is complete. Now the fraction can be simplified. Your effort is appreciated.
Thanks for watching.